In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code in Blogger. This guide will help you understand how to insert custom code into your blog posts, whether you want to add a widget, improve formatting, or include a special design element. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to place HTML correctly so it blends smoothly with your content and enhances the overall appearance of your blog. To begin, open your Blogger dashboard and navigate to the Posts section. This is where all your published and draft articles are stored. If you were starting a new post, you can create one from scratch. However, if you want to edit an existing article, simply open the post you wish to modify. This will take you directly into the post editor, where all content changes are made. Once the editor is open, you will notice that it usually starts in a visual editing mode. To work with HTML, you need to switch to the Code view. Look for the tab labeled HTML and select it. This changes the editor from a visual layout to a code-based interface, allowing you to directly insert and control the structure of your content. Now you are ready to insert your HTML code. Carefully place your code exactly where you want it to appear within your blog post. This could be for embedding a widget, adding a custom design section, or inserting structured content that was created elsewhere. It is important to be precise with placement so that the layout of your post remains clean and visually appealing. After inserting the HTML, take a moment to review where it has been placed. The positioning of the code can affect how it displays within your content, so ensuring it aligns properly with your writing is essential for a professional-looking result. Next, switch back to the normal visual view or use the preview option. This allows you to see how your post will appear to readers once it is published. It's an important step because it helps you confirm that the HTML code is working correctly and blending well with the rest of your content. Finally, after verifying everything, you can proceed with publishing or saving your post. At this stage, your HTML integration is complete and your blog is ready with enhanced functionality and improved structure. And that is how you successfully add HTML code to a Blogger post. With this technique, you can make your content more dynamic and customized while maintaining full control over its design. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.